significant figures, and well, these are examples of significant figures. So first and foremost, if the zeros are behind a whole number, or if they are leading digits, those zeros are not significant. So but the zero in between and non-zeros are significant. So this ones here are, this is only 3 significant figures, because these are not considered as to be a significant. And a zero in between non-zero, so this is a non-zero digit, and that's also another non-zero digit, so these zeros are counted as to be significant. Zeros between other digits are significant, so this has 5 significant figures. Alright. Now, so if a decimal is included, so in this case here we have a decimal, so that makes this 0 as to be a significant 0. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures, this number here. So we have here just trailing zeros. Trailing zeros are not significant, but if a decimal is added, as to this example here, that they are considered as to be significant. So this is not significant. So this is only 2 significant figures, whereby this one here, because there is a decimal included, so that is also considered as to be significant. Well, it could also be this way here too. Well, if I do this and I finish with a decimal, that is also considered to be a significant. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. The zeros after a decimal, after the decimal, are considered significant. So the zeros between other numbers are also significant. So this has 6 significant figures. So this case here, this is a 6 significant figure. And again, when rounding, so again, this is, if I have to make it 2 significant figure, I have to round it up, because that is, if it's 5 or above 5, round the final digit up. So we round it up. So if it's below, if it's 4 or below 4, keep the final digit as it is. So in this case here, to make it 2 significant figures, so we round this one up, and we make it 5100 to make it 2 significant figures. So this is 3199.01. So to make it 4 significant figures, so we make it that. So we truncate, we cut it off. So these zeros are not significant, so this is only 3 significant. To make it 3 significant figures, so this is going to be only those 3 numbers, even though it's a 4 significant figure, but to make it 3 significant figures, it's only those. So we truncate. Or cut it off. So in this case here, to make it 2 significant figures, so always significant figures are counted from the left. So you always count from the left to the right. So in this case, to make this 2 significant figures, so you're just gonna, because this 2 is less than 5, we can round it up. So we basically cut it, but we're just gonna put a bar on top of this, the 0, just to signify that this is 2 significant figure, so that 0 stands for a significant figure. I hope that's clear, and that's it for the significant figures. Take notes.